Welcome back. Today I will teach about some set of the in class 11th math union of sets. Let A and B be any two set. The union of A and B in the set which consists of all element of A and all element of B, the common element being taken only once, we write it is denoted by symbolic U. Symbolically we write A union B X such that X belong to A or X belong to B. For example, let A is set 2, 4, 6 and B is set element 6, 8, 10 and 12. So we can write A union B, all element of set A 2, 4, 6 and all element of B 6, 8, 10 and 12 in this set, but common element we write only once times 4, 6 and 6 common only one times we can write in set. So these make set A union B. Venn diagram in this form A union B. So in rectangular form A universal set, and within two set intersecting A and B, common element we can write in this position, and set A and set B all element of set A and B. So A union B. Some property of operation of union. First property, A union B is equal to B union A. This is commutative law. And also A union B in bracket union C is equal to A union in bracket B union C. So it is called associative law. And A union phi means not element in any set. So element set phi, A union phi is equal to set A, law of identity, and A union A is equal to A, idempotent law, and A universal set and union A is equal to universal set, because all element exists in universal set. So law of universal set. And also intersection of set. The intersection of two set A and B is set all element which are common to both A and B. Taken common element of set A and B, common element known as intersection of set A and B. It is denoted by this symbol. Symbolically form, we write A intersection B x such that x belong to A and x belong to B. Venn diagram, common element both set known as intersection A and B. Some properties of operation of intersection: A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is cumulative law. And A intersection B, also intersection taken as C, is equal to A intersection in bracket B intersection C. This is associative law. Phi intersection A is equal to phi, and universal intersection A, this is intersection A. Law of empty and law of universal. A intersection B union C, this is important rule. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B in bracket also union A intersection C. This is called distributive law. Difference of two set. The difference of two set A and B is in this order is the set of element which belong to A but does not belong to B. We can write A minus B in symbolically form x such that x belong to A and x does not belong to B, or B minus A means x such that x belong to B and x does not belong to A, that A minus B not equal to B minus A. So that's all.